अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल गाइज। आज हम आपको इंस्टाग्राम के यूजेस इन सोशल मीडिया के बारे में बताएंगे। हाउ टू यूज इंस्टाग्राम फॉर ई कॉमर्स। विद आवर 1 billion active user and growing user base, Instagram is considered one of the best social sales tools in 2020 by all. But how can brands get started on the social media side? Below, we'll explore the reasons why your brand might be a good fit for Instagram, as well as share tips to help you increase your engagement and sales opportunities on the platform. Instagram usage and e-commerce stats. Instagram presents plenty of sales opportunity. It's boasts 1 billion monthly active users. 71% of the billion Instagram users are under the age of 35. Over 1500 million accounts use Instagram stories every day. Instagram. One third of the most viewed Instagram stories are from business. 90% of accounts follow at least one business on Instagram. 71 of US business use Instagram. 7 out of 10 hashtags on Instagram are branded mentioned 2018. Over 80% of Instagram users discover new products and services on the platform. After seeing a product service on Instagram, 79% search for more information, 37 visit the retail store, and 46 make a purchase. Instagram helps 80% of users make purchase decision. Facebook 2019. Instagram engagement increases by 29% for brands between October 27 2017 and May 2020. Brands can greenlight our 4 items for interaction of Instagram compared to Facebook. 10 Instagram e-commerce tips. Take care of your content, take care of your photos, take care of your photos, take care of your hashtags, optimize your company's name, share user granted content, consider your customer and products, recircle influencers, stay efficient